The Delhi riots case has been a case that has found itself amidst controversy over the last 4 years. Several of the accused who were put behind the bars, imposing several sections of the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, that is the UAPA. Several of the students who were actually involved in allegedly carrying out riots in the national capital, they have been put behind the bars over the last 4 years. Today, a big news came in as Umar Khalid, who is said to be one of the main accused in this entire matter and who has been charged with UAPA, was granted an interim bail for 7 days by the court today. The court had reasoned that Umar Khalid has a marriage in his own family, and that is the reason why a 7-day interim bail can be given to him. But this bail was yet again opposed from the side of the NIA, which claimed or which said that the investigation is still underway and hence Umar Khalid should not be granted a bail in this entire matter. Remember, before this, in the year 2022 as well, Umar Khalid was given an interim bail for the first time at that point in time, and that bail was also granted to him for attending a marriage in his family. Now, post that, Umar Khalid has remained behind the jail cell, stayed inside Tihar for the last 4 years now. This entire issue of releasing Umar Khalid has gone viral on social media. In fact, today itself, TMC MP Saket Gokhale had raised this entire issue inside the parliament as well, where he had asked the central government as to what are they doing about the entire investigation and why people like Umar Khalid, who were students at that point in time studying inside JNU, why are they still behind the bars at this point. But as the NIA, who is carrying out this entire probe of a quote-unquote larger conspiracy during the Delhi riots, this has come to the fore that they had a massive role to play in carrying out these riots in the national capital, due to which many people had to lose their life in the year 2020 itself, right before the pandemic had hit the entire world. Now, Umar Khalid has been granted a bail in this entire matter for the next 7 days, and post that he will yet again have to return back inside the jail cells. Release Umar Khalid is a hashtag that is already trending on social media, where several of the netizens have raised their opinions on why Umar Khalid is still behind the bars and why the entire investigation is going ahead at such a slow pace. But what sources within the investigating agencies have told us that this is a massive case that needs to be probed to the T, and that is the reason why any accused who was involved in carrying out those riots in the national capital that had brought international defamation to the entire country, that is being done, and that is the reason why the investigating agency at this point in time cannot take any chance in making sure that the people who might have been involved at that point in time in creating law and order problems in the national capital, they are investigated to the T. Now, the basic allegations against Umar Khalid is that he had carried a secret meeting in the national capital. In that meeting, it was decided that how the attacks were planned in several areas of northeast Delhi, and then those plans were eventually executed on the ground, due to which massive riots had broken out in the national capital. Now, after 7 days, as Umar Khalid will return back to the jail cells, it remains to be seen if at all the NIA will eventually go ahead and inform the court that in which direction is the investigation going, until when the NIA will be able to complete the entire investigation to the T, and then eventually the arguments and the further court proceedings could start. But at this point in time, it is definitely seeming very, very dark for Umar Khalid, as there still doesn't seem to be any hope that he might be released on a regular bail. But at this point in time, him getting an interim bail definitely makes a lot of news, and that is the reason why we are seeing that since the order has been announced, there has been murmurs on social media who are already celebrating the bail that has been granted to him. But this is an interim bail. The bail will end in 7 days, and he will yet again have to return back to Tihar jail cells, and then eventually the entire investigation and the court proceedings will go forward. Will Umar Khalid get a regular bail, or will he be let out from the jail cells? That is something that only time will tell. But NIA and the investigating agencies who are investigating this entire larger conspiracy case, they are very sure that they have the requisite amount of evidences that are enough to incarcerate Umar Khalid in creating riots in the national capital in the year 2020.